So the next thing that we are going to do is to move this tab to somewhere in the middle. Now, I've been getting students who do this. After you finish this class, you shouldn't be doing this. Okay, you should instead check out this is the tab, it's correct, and roughly you say I would love to put the tab somewhere here, and once you tap it, it is there. Okay, so there are different types of tabs, left tab, right tab, decimal tabs. Please check out the different tabs in your textbook. Now, right now here, I would like to insert the, so here we have the date. Let's just choose 13th of April 2017. Okay, and we have got that there. The next one that we are interested to type in is the address. However, if you see that if I type the address right now, the space between the lines are big. So what I'm going to choose to do right now is to go to Home and choose No Spacing. And there would be no spacing after it. The next thing that we are going to learn is to do a building block. First, click on the Insert tab and then highlight the Washington Volunteer Foundation and go to this little icon in the text category and do the Save Selection to Quick Path Gallery. You can give the name of it. I would just put a shortcut of Washington Volunteer Foundation, WVF, and Quick Paths category. Click OK to it. And after you have done that, what would happen is when you key in the word WVF and you press an F3, the full text will come up. So that is like a shortcut for you. Just as right now I have typed the text and WVF, I just put it F3 and I have that. Okay. Now, if you notice that there is this is a special sign. Let me just make this bigger that you see it. Let me just show you what would happen. With a normal, okay, let me just get rid of this volunteering, Ctrl Z. Let me just delete the word your. Okay, with a normal space, the text will be broken into two lines. But if instead of a normal space, I use a non-breaking space, which is a combination of Ctrl, Shift, and spacebar, you can see that it will not break into two lines. Let me get rid of the paragraph marking. You would see that it's not being shown here. Next thing that we are going to do is we are going to insert a table. So insert table, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. And then we will have 3 columns to it. The upper row would be merge. So I'm sorry, actually your textbook has only 5 rows and 3 columns, and this was added later. And how you insert is through this insert above. But right now, since I have it, I will just proceed with this. We will look at the tables and look at the options that we want to choose. Grid table of 6 colorful would be my option. So what we can be doing is also to perhaps make this table smaller. And then let's just go for auto fit contents. Yep. Alright. Next, we can choose to move our table. If we see this sign, this is the table handle, and slightly center it. Okay. This will then